My name is Josep Roca. I'm race engineer for Panasonic Jaguar Racing. My job in the team is about making sure that Mitch goes the fastest possible on every session, on every race. The A-Type 2 is the car that Panasonic Jaguar Racing developed for the season 4 of the ABB Formula E Championship. A key characteristic of it is only powered by electricity, so you've got a main battery in the center of the car and all the traction power that the car uses comes from it. This energy and power gets transmitted into an inverter to manage an electric motor. The electric motor sends the power onto a gearbox that later on gets transmitted to the wheels via the drive shafts.
I'm James Davis. My role is control systems engineer, so I work on integrating the control system, so any updates to code that our team provide, I'm integrating that into the system, ensuring it's working, ensuring it's all running as expected. To be a part of all the work that's going on this vehicle is incredible, really. I mean, the more you hear about it, you hear about Formula E in the news, you hear about it on the radio, you're hearing more and more people sort of talk about the event, talk about the cars, talk about everything that's going on, and so to actually be a part of it and be a part of everything that's going on there is really quite incredible, actually.
The uphill climb run the approach to it would be very similar to a qualifying. It's about going the quickest possible on a pretty tight, confined and difficult track. So yeah, it will be about maximum power, get the car to go forward as quick as possible. We don't have to worry about regeneration, so we'll tune our brake system for maximum braking performance.
One of the main things we're going to look at is launching, making sure the launch is as expected. So we're not trying to get the optimal performance out of the launch to get off the line as quickly as possible. One of the problems we're going to encounter is we're not able to heat up the brakes as we would hope to in normal race conditions.
One of the few areas that we identified for season 4 that was open for change out of homologation was the rims, the wheels on the car. GKN helped us developing an advanced coating system that did exactly that, just helped us manage temperature coming from the brakes and avoiding it, making it all the way to the tire, giving us better performance on both short and long runs.
I think Mitch will be nervous, as with any race. There's a lot of eyes on him, a lot of not that many electric cars have attempted the race, so it's obviously a big moment for him. As you would expect, he's well prepared, he's done simulations, he's been racing in the car all season, so he's used to the type of track that we'll see at Shelsley Walsh. It's all sort of narrow roads, tight corners, which is what he's come to expect of Formula E race, so on that front I think Mitch will be well prepared, and we'll wait and see.